Okay, we're back working on the fourth article here for my weekend challenge of giving away free articles using SEO Pilot. The next person on the list here, so I did this challenge here where I asked people to give me any article they wanted me to write, and we would produce a long form article using SEO Pilot. And I've been going back and giving everybody the article and being fully transparent of how much time it took to get the article done, how many words it was, how much it actually cost, usually in the cents, and whether, how much more time I took to maybe edit it or if it needed edits. So now we are up to, I've already done 3 of these. If you guys want to check them out, go check out the Facebook post in our group. And now we are up to, who's next? Okay, here's the person who gave me a topic. Maybell I. This was the topic, the face of real estate, why personal branding and video marketing are essential for today's agents, but the focus is on video marketing. Okay, so those are really like 2 topics, but so here's what I would suggest. I'll take his topic, face of real estate, why personal branding and video marketing are essential for today's agents. And if the keyword is really video marketing alone, it would be too broad. You probably want to do video marketing for real estate agents. That's what I would recommend. Secondly, this could really be 2 articles, and that's what I would recommend. I'd actually recommend that you do an article, like, for example, you do 1 article on why video marketing is essential for real estate agents. And I'd be very specific. Instead of saying today's agents, if you want to rank, you want to be specific. You want to say real estate agents. Otherwise, there's many different types of agents. For example, could have been an insurance agent, could have been a call center agent. So you got to be very specific here for what you're trying to rank for. And then I would do a different one for why personal branding is essential for real estate agents, because those are 2 separate things, 2 separate articles. For this one, you're trying to rank for video marketing, and for this one, you're trying to rank for personal branding. So I wouldn't try to combine them. You could, but I wouldn't really try to. I try to rank for one thing and one thing only. So in this case, since your focus is video marketing, let's go ahead and get you an article for that. But now first, let's go see what's on Google for this, right? So let's search Google for our keyword here. Okay. Let's see who's ranking. So why real estate agents should use video in their marketing. Okay, let's open it. Brafton, very well-known agency. They always have good content. The NAR, of course, they should be ranking for that. They're the biggest organization and the governing body for real estate agents. Commercial real estate training, why video marketing is important for real estate agents. Okay, that's pretty much what we're looking for. So notice number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, constant contact. All I'm trying to showcase here is there's some pretty big governing bodies and SaaS companies that are ranking at the top for this. So there's definitely some competition. But let's go ahead and see what we got to work with here. All right. All right. So I'm also going to open this LinkedIn post. Looks like someone posted on LinkedIn, and you'll notice Google lately is showing a lot of LinkedIn and Reddit and Quora stuff. So let's see what we got here. Starting at the top, 4 reasons why real estate agents should use video. This is really what we're trying to do, right? The importance of video marketing for real estate agents. Let's see what else. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't consider this some of this just kind of scanning the headings. I'm not too impressed with it. So not really the reasons why video marketing is important as far as I'm concerned. It's really more about the use cases. So like say it says 4 big reasons, but then I guess you got to like really read all of this to even extrapolate the reasons as opposed to, okay, what type of videos? Okay. All right. So again, I'm not too impressed with it, but it's ranking. So let's see, Brafton, again, they do great work. So they probably have a lot of meat, statistics, video. So yeah, they're good. They're very good. This is what you should really strive for after you get an article out of SEO Pilot. You should strive to add in your own touch, add in more meat, your custom images, maybe embed some YouTube videos. Google loves YouTube for obvious reasons. They own it. So why wouldn't they want that? Um, let's see, what does this one do? I like this one already. Yeah, I like this one a lot because it just goes straight to the point. Um, 5 reasons with final thoughts. It's ranking, so clearly it's working, and doesn't look like a huge company. Like, I mean, I don't know if this is or is not, but doesn't seem like a huge company as far as I'm concerned. So the fact that they could rank means you can rank. So let's try to rank for this. I actually like this title perfectly. So I'm going to put that inside of SEO Pilot, and we're just going to go straight from the top. You do not need to touch the folder. You do not need to touch the AI model. It's got GPT-4 Turbo. You do not need, you just need blog article. Here's the topic. Keyword, video marketing for real estate agents. That's what we're trying to rank for. Video marketing alone would be too broad because you could have video marketing for a million other industries. Do not touch the article tone. You want it SEO optimized by us. I'm going to use second person since I believe this is going on a service-based business or a SaaS. And now the only thing I have to figure out is, do I want to run this on autopilot, where SEO Pilot will generate its own outline? Do I want to give it a custom outline, essentially manually enter the outline, or do I want an outline from a URL? I could essentially take this and rewrite this, to be honest. Notice it's only 1,428 words per SEO Pilot's Chrome extension. Here's all of its heading structure. So I could take a lot of that. There's not much here, as you can see. There's not much here, but I could basically take this. The rest of this is junk at the bottom, footer stuff. So don't disregard that. But it basically ends right there under final thoughts. So I could go and do that. Let's see what else I got here to play with. Reasons why real estate is essential, a guide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Again, surprised that this is ranking. If I use SEO Pilot here to show me its structure, I mean, it's only 761 words. You could definitely rank for this. You can beat these guys. So yeah, let's just, I promise you, this article that we will write will be on the top 10 if done right. As long as you're putting it on a site that has some clout, you're going to be in the top 10. Here's a LinkedIn post. That's pretty cool. Why real estate video marketing is essential in 2023. My guess is it was probably reposted from a blog. A lot of stats in there. It's got 2023 type of stuff. But whatever. Overall, in terms of the actual reasons, increased engagement and reach. So for example, I'm actually gonna write this down. Give me a second here. So earlier I suggested that the person who asked me for this, I don't know who they are, break out into 2 separate articles. And now for the article that we are choosing, I'm actually going to copy and paste some of these headings, these 7 benefits. Okay. I'll explain why later. But you'll see why in a bit. And greater ability to showcase properties. Okay, so I like how they structured these 7 benefits. And so people prefer video over nowadays. Videos are shareable. And then they go into like real estate trends, which, okay, I mean, that's also good information. So I'm just copying these headings. I don't need anything more than that. I may use it, I may not use it, but I'm just showing you guys. I'm doing a lot of these today while my kids watch TV. So if you hear some noise, I apologize. They're at least leaving me alone for tentatively. We'll see if they bother us during this recording. But for now, they're doing fine. So let's keep going. Okay, so I am going to go back in SEO Pilot and I am going to say I want to basically start with my article. I'm going to go take these videos are more engaging, videos generate reliable leads, customers. And by the way, I could have just used the SEO Pilot's automatically extract outline from a URL, but I didn't. I don't want to. So in this scenario, let me go ahead and maybe use the custom outline. And what we're going to do is we're going to say, all right, videos are more engaging, so so now you guys see when I was copying earlier, I'm going to copy those 7 benefits as my H2s. Okay. Here we go. Improve search engine optimization, enhanced brand, greater ability to showcase properties. And again, I can reword this later. So, and we use Z. And the last one. Okay. So let's see what this does. I mean, I don't know what we're gonna expect here, or what we're gonna get, but again, I like to play with all the options to see what we get. In this case, I do want an introduction. That will be before my outline here. I do want a conclusion. I do want a table of contents. I do want citations. I want to see some stats, cited references and things like that. I'm going to skip the FAQ this time. I don't really want an FAQ. Since we're talking about real estate, I just want a simple image from Pexels. Let's see, what else? Any extra section prompt? And this is a little section that we have called extra section prompt. I'm going to try it. I didn't use it in the previous 3-4 articles that I did, but I'm going to try it here. Let's just see what happens. And what I'm writing here is for each section up above. So this section, this section, this section that I have created these headings, it is going to apply this extra prompt to each of those sections. Now, again, don't use this all the time. Use this only when you know you really, really want to reinforce a specific point for that section. Okay. So I want to reinforce this because I don't want the article to feel very corporate-y. I don't want it to feel very video marketing for everything else aside from the individual real estate agent. Okay. And that's it. So I'm going to start creating the article. And you're watching this live. So it may take a while. We'll see how long it takes. Again, we don't need this article to be 10,000 words, given what we saw. Some of these others are 1,400 words. This one was only 700 words, 761. So we got a LinkedIn post that's ranking in the top 10. So yeah, I mean, I think there's, even the Brafton article, which is ranking at the top, is 2,000 words. We don't need to go overboard here. This one, we just need to be very precise. And that's all we really need. So let's see what SEO Pilot spits out, and we'll go from there. Okay. I'm just going to mute myself so you don't hear any noise while, actually, you know what? I'll keep talking. Um, maybe I can tell you more about SEO Pilot. But anyways, while this is generating, which may take another minute or so, if you have not downloaded the free SEO Pilot extension for Chrome, highly recommend you get it. It is right here. Just Google SEO Pilot Chrome extension. We already have 2,000 users, essentially a 5-star. I don't know why one person gave us less, but again, there's people on the internet who don't appreciate free stuff. But yeah, now this is free. And you just saw me use it on these articles right here. All this on-page SEO, all this data is free. You can download the links, you can download the headings, everything. And if you register on SEOpilot.io afterwards, you get the contact info tab enabled for free as well. So again, we're not trying to charge you. And then lastly, the only thing we do charge you for is the built-in AI writer in the extension, which is like a light version of what we're doing here with SEO Pilot, the SaaS, the software as a service. So obviously within a Chrome extension, it's not going to be as powerful, and we can't bake in all millions of options. But our actual SaaS app, yeah, that has everything under the sun. And we have benchmarked it against the best of the best in the industry. So we're pretty confident this is good. This is going to work. And so here we go. We just got our results while I was talking. Metrics 100 all the way because we know we're rocking on this one. Word count 2,411 words. Cost 34 cents is what we estimate based on OpenAI and their pricing calculator. So yeah, you're looking at 2,400 words written in a matter of minutes. We only provided a few inputs and it only cost us 34 cents. That is brilliant. Here's our table of contents that we asked for. Here are the bullet points that we manually provided. And you can see, let's actually read out loud the increased engagement and reach. Engagement with your content is the cornerstone. And for real estate agents, video marketing significantly amplifies engagement. So see, it's not hallucinating or anything. It's giving you exactly what you asked for. And it's focused on real estate agents because we gave that extra prompt. So we kind of like gave it guardrails, for lack of better words. Same thing with SEO here. As a real estate agent, as you can see, again, our modeling, our prompting behind the scenes, I would probably say that's what I'm most proud of. What you see on the screen is a result of that. So maybe credit goes to my team and my developers. I'm just, I guess you could say, the architect behind some of this. Improved SEO, and you can see, according to studies, we got some references here. Let's see where it's clicking over to. The wrap effective video marketing for your real estate website. There you go. SEO for real estate, perfect. By carrot.com, very good, well-known company, Carrot. SEM Rush, as we all know. So yeah, you got some good references here, and a lot more coming. As you can see, Big View, Animoto, so a lot of good citations because we asked for citations. If you don't want a specific citation, just remove it. No big deal. Like for example, you can say, I want to remove this, and all it is just unlink it. That's it. You're done. But yeah, this is good. I was expecting to write a bit more or edit a bit more, but I'm going to be honest with you on this one. I don't think I need to. I think I would publish something like this. Now, would I spend 5 minutes after this recording to edit a few things here and there, maybe expand on a few things, or maybe add a few images to my article? But I like creating custom images for my articles. Of course, I would definitely do that because I want to make it mine. I want to make it truly unique. But as is, if you publish this, I have a high confidence level. You could rank, if you're putting this on a legitimate website that has good domain rating, domain authority, you could rank for this topic. And so there's not much more here to do. I was hoping there was, but there really isn't. We are in good shape here. Okay, so I'm going to end it here. I'm going to actually, you know what? Let me copy the rich text here. Oh, and by the way, we got this image as the featured image from Pexels. We could use this. It's already neatly cited there. We could change that image. Here's a few more that we automatically get and retrieve from Pexels because that's the image service we chose. If that one doesn't work for you, use this, no problem. So let's just change it. And there we go. So that looks even better because that looks like a real estate agent back there, dressed like a real estate agent as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and say copy rich text. This is video number 4. And I'm just going to paste it. There we good. And there we go. We got everything there. And just one more time, 2,400 words. Sorry guys, the kids are, it's that time. Okay, so what did we go? We got 2,411 words. So that was our word count. We got roughly 34 cents. That it took us about 3 minutes to generate. As for editing, I would recommend 5 to 10 minutes afterwards to clean it all up. I will provide the person who asked for this on Facebook, the final article in that Google Doc, and I will post this video proof that, again, we did this live and you saw how quickly we did it while I was explaining everything on the screen. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.